The main maps page, this is where you'll do most of your interesting work. As the maps have been defined before in the MapRef page, they now appear here. To do that, if you watch the simple change video, you'll see that we import a file, we build the maps. This obviously will open a dialog box to import a new file into it, and that's where it loads the binary file into the worksheet memory, and which it can save so it stays in there, and then closes that file again, so you're not actually touching that original file. Then you build the maps, and then that'll be using the MapRef data to build these maps here. This is obviously the horizontal axis, vertical axis, and data in here. This is what will get written back to the binary when you export. None of this information changes up here, so all of this can be destroyed. The graphs, you can move them, change them, do whatever you like, because every time you build maps, this sheet gets completely rebuilt anyway. So if you were to delete this, that's fine. It doesn't matter. It's just gone for now. When you build again, it'll reappear. Up here is the status, so this will tell you as a general idea what's going on. This bottom one here, this tells you the current open file from where you've opened it from, but again, you don't change that file if you save anything in here, unless you export, then you export to a new file. This one here, it tells you what your current map profile is that's open, and also the most important thing is here is changed. So right now, if I try to export, it won't export, because when we built these maps, we've since building the maps, something's changed with the map reference file, and so just to protect you and protect your ECU, it won't save now, because you need to rebuild, because whatever the change was in that MapRef, we need to make sure we apply that to this table, or to these tables, before we put them back, because the same MapRef needs to be the same, because that's what's used to read and then write. So I've put the protection in, so if you see the changed up here, there's no point making differences here, because you're not going to be able to export it. You would have to do just some copy and paste to another sheet, rebuild, and then paste it back if you made that mistake accidentally. So right now, that little changed up there is kind of important, and we'll just show, we'll get rid of it by rebuilding the map. We can see that the charts come back. Again, up here is the current map that's being built. This is one reason why maybe reducing the number of rows in the MapRef to be specific to what you're actually trying to adjust might be handy if you're doing lots of saving and stuff, just to save time here. Build complete, and now we can say no changes, and now it will allow the exporting of this file. So it's made no changes because we made no changes, and it's allowing now to export that file, which I won't worry about doing. What else about this? So this is where you can use Excel. So as I said, anything that's here, the value of anything that's here is what gets written back to the file. If you put a formula in here, the value will be what's written back, not the formula, so you don't need to worry about that. As seen previously, we can copy data over here and use all of Excel's functions to manipulate this data we want. It is the data in here that is all that's important. That is what will go back. Any other cell out here, you can do what you like with. It won't get written. It doesn't matter. Use it as a workspace. And as we've seen with the charts, we can delete the charts and do whatever we want to do with them. So that is a quick overview of the maps. I don't think there's anything else here really. A quick thing. There's the map profile again. That's the exact same one that opens up from the MapRef page and works in the same way. That's it. Thank you very much.